Hey there, how are you? My name is Jorge Daniel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get your contacts from Dynamics 365 or a model-driven app to beehiiv, a very popular marketing service. It was just the other day that I was looking for a marketing service to nurture and grow an email list. And while most of these services allowed for the creation of sign-up forms, landing pages, and even websites, I wanted CRM to be the source of the contacts. In this way, all contacts would first be ingested into CRM and then they could be sent to an email server. For this to work, two cloud flows were built, and I'm going to run you by them. The first one needs to get the data from the sign-up into CRM. Well, as of this recording, there is no website or landing page online where you can fill this form, but if you want to try this out, you can use the link in the description and you will find this one there. Later, this will have to be replaced with an endpoint, but the following actions will be the same. What this is doing is checking if the email is already in the contact table. And if it's not, it's creating a new record. Once the new contact is created, the second flow kicks in. This flow will take the contact and subscribe it to the beehiiv publication. You'll need to get a bearer token from beehiiv, and you will also need to know your publication ID. With that, you can then send a post request to their API, much like this one. I can leave this one in the description, but please note that first name, last name, from are all custom fields that need to be created on the beehiiv side first. After this, beehiiv will then send the subscriber a welcome email. So how cool is that? And you can use this with any other service as long as they make an API available. Let me know if you like this one, and I hope to see you soon.